Welcome to our Performance Lower Control Arms installation video. Step 1. Remove factory knuckle and sway bar link. Support caliper so it does not pull on any lines. Step 2. Remove factory lower control arm. Step 3. Install bushings into Dirt King lower control arm. Be careful not to interchange front and rear bushings. Torque 3/8 socket head bolts to 35 foot-pounds. Step 4. Install Dirt King lower control arm to vehicle. Optional sway bar link shown. Step 5. Reinstall factory knuckle. Ensure the ball joint taper adapter is pressed onto the ball stud. Refer to upper arm instructions for torque spec. Torque lower ball joint nut to 90 foot-pounds and insert cotter pin. Torque tie rod nut to factory spec. First pass at 26 foot-pounds. Final pass at 85 to 100 degrees. Torque axle nut to factory spec. First pass at 133 foot-pounds. Second pass reverse 45 degrees. Final pass at 199 foot-pounds. Apply red thread locker and torque to factory spec. First pass at 37 foot-pounds and final pass at 30 to 45 foot-pounds.